Okay.
So Brad has been training with Graham Jarvis today, doing some of the crazy things that he does, and this, as you can see, is FMF pipe. It is a total disaster. The shape on this is absolutely unbelievable. We're going to keep our fingers crossed now to see if we can get it back reasonable, and we might have bitten off a bit more than we can chew. So I think we have. That is maybe a disaster, and I didn't bring a spare. Right, we'll have a look.
You thirsty yet?
Yes, I am, but I'll have that closer to me now. We decided to take it off because you couldn't see the dents underneath the carbon.
They're alright just for the stones, isn't it?
Yeah, they're alright for stones, but
and
that's some powerful shit in here today, isn't it? It's a really bad fucking...
that's £170.
Yeah. That's some sort of fucking damage, that is.
Them bloody plant things are coming on a bit. I can liquid weld it, I suppose.
Yeah.
I don't know if I bought any. Shit. Don't got any liquid metal, by the way. Yeah, brilliant. Alright, but I'll bring it back over once I've...
Tim, you've acquired some new
I've
pets
acquired some weld.
and some dogs.
Hey Tim, you're looking at dogs.
I know. My name's Brad and I'm going to break everything today. That's what it is. And I can't believe I didn't bring the spare. So you've whacked it back.
After that, I'm not very good at that a bit.
Welding you? Why don't you weld it up?
I got no bloody welding rods. That's for blowing the exhaust out, that is mine. I haven't even got solder with me. Nothing.
approach the stagecoach then?
Yeah.
Right. This is going to end in tears, isn't it?
Shorts and fucking welding.
What do you reckon about?
Oh no. I reckon we'll cut a bit of that off now. Knead him up. Lob it on it.
So what is in here? Just liquid, is it?
No, it's
It's two compounds.
two compounds you mix up together.
Oh, like
Benzola.
like a hardener. Is this for your fillet?
Oh,
What's away here?
Shamina Duck Duck. How long does this fucking stuff take to go off for?
Well, let's have a look at the instructions.
Oh, you don't need that. It's after.
You don't need instructions? What's that for?
You see that right there?
It's either 2 minutes or 12 minutes.
Oh, 2 hours.
We'll give it 2 minutes.
Remove excess before it hardens. What does that say there?
Water?
What, the whole instructions?
Water well.
Oh, right, the camera. Here we go.
This one.
Look, look. You got to play it back now, though.
Twist and knead.
Yeah. How many minutes?
2.
Oh, bloody brilliant.
2 minutes. And then
Oh, so you got the two there together now, though?
Yeah, they
Like chewing gum.
did together,
Whatever.
and then like a Swiss roll, and then you cut it, and then you squash it like. So that's a good knead in here now.
This is one of Tim's top tips.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was it.
Forget
Don't
everything.
try this at home.
Never mind Pete's top tips. This is Tim's top tips now.
Forget about everything.
Stop tip, go. You see that after a couple more then?
Oh yeah. Have you not seen our tip top? No, I can't even say it. Pete's top tips. Have you not seen them on? Are you on Facebook?
Yeah, a little bit. No, only recently. I don't do
Look at you know this team headset.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the videos on there, and Pete's top tips are on there.
Taylor.
You didn't see the other day when he was two-faced, did he?
No, I shaved half my face off.
Well, not half your face, man.
Yeah, half my moustache,
Loads of
all
people
the
do
sides. I can
notice.
stand that side, lah. And then I go talking.
Right, Scott.
Here we are with Brad Williams.
Yep.
Fucked his exhaust today. Typical Escavana, piece of shit.
I don't know, I don't think Brad will agree with you with that.
Oh well,
the same
he's
bike
an
as you
idiot,
were when you were
he don't know what he knows.
No?
Nah, he know everything.
Nice radiator, that is.
Yep. Yeah, we're going to work our way around it all the after.
Yeah, but if you see it coming out, so you know.
Right, that's 40 odd here now. So that one come out nice today then.
What about this one here now?
Yeah, we'll go for that one next.
We might get on that joint today, maybe get that.
That one here next.
What do you reckon? And I might give it a shape back.
That's one there, isn't it?
Yep.
What do you reckon from Bragan? bit in there, isn't it?
Maybe a bit.
Oh, you know what? Oh, that's just the line of the pipe. That's quite
Brad!
pipe.
Hey!
Wiggle that debris.
Pretty good here, Chris. Seven? Alright.
Yeah, you know.
Yep.
You have to get some men walking out tonight in the morning. Before one went first. What? Hey, John.
Yeah, yeah, I've heard that. Good. That one, mate? Yeah, got a little bit there first. That's pretty good, isn't it?
A little bit of the bracket, half inch to your left, a little bit.
Oh, you got a hell of a lot for you, huh? Get it tidied up a bit.
It's like old gravel wax on this, isn't it?
Somebody?
It's like as if you had gravel wax on it.
Yeah, bloody,
You can see more dents now.
yeah.
Yeah, we use
Till a no-shoot is one, like, you flip the pipe over the way you're blowing now, the other side,
now.
I think I'll have to get drunk now.
Brad boy.
Hey, I did that.
Oh yeah,
Otherwise you're going to be going, ooh.
because a lot of that's gone back to shape now, look.
Yeah, but
And
the flatty,
like when you look at that bit there, it goes in straight now.
see these lines here?
Yeah.
How can never going to be, and that was a flowing line. It's not going to be, you know,
Yeah.
you'll never get it back.
As long as we can fit them in now, I'll be happy with that. Because I think we got another little hole there, look.
TM one,
Was it?
KTM written on there, I seen it.
Yeah, so because they want enough room to put Escavana.
Well, I thought it was Welsh or Esquimalt, KTM. Johnny, you play with your big one? Well, it's not that. I got an arm sledge in there.
Do a bit of WD-40 on him. Make him slide in, because
I always used to put grease on it, but I don't now, but I always used to use for back in the day.
back in the day. Yeah,
I
WD-40.
just go for my can in.
I wouldn't take a can off you, pal. Ah, fucking hell.
Fucking hell, Tim, I'm out of a car.
That's my bad foot. Ah! Oh, fucking shit, I knee on.
What do you want, that? Tire?
Go and try and get him straight in now.
What, the knee on?
Oh, look at that, Chris.
It's in, innit?
You know when he's right, don't you?
Yeah, but in effect.
Yeah. That's good enough, but you see how hard he was coming out?
I leave it.
I think so, I'm going to put that.
Perfect.
And he's from the Rad Block too.
Yeah, no.
Here, then.
Yeah, we're happy with that, but I think we've deserve a 10 out of 10 for that. Ah, wait a minute now.
Oh, what that?
Pretty bent now, right now, can't we?
Ah, no, it's going to be the other side, isn't it? No, no. Yeah.
What?
There you are.
Tim's a bit of blowing luck. Tim's a good blower.
Yeah, to be honest with you, I was a bit sceptical about this job. I thought I was taking on more than I should have. But I am well chuffed with the result.
So Tim is a 10 out of 10 blower.
Oh yes, I
I
can
want
blow.
the other one. Oh, you got it, right. I'm not bragging in the bent, that's what it must be about. Remember I said you want to back up, back in his bent?
Yeah, he was back a bit, but see this one here anyway.
Yeah.
I did have to cut a good.
Oh, you got the paper on.
Yeah, but I.
Oh, it is still bent. That one's always tight on the frame.
But look how much he pushed in.
Yeah.
You starting him up, Tim, for the verdict or what?
I think we will then. I am absolutely over the moon with that. I think what I'll do, Chris, same as him tomorrow. I'll go, yeah, it's pretty much done everything I wanted to do.
Oh, that was
Right. Let's have a listen to what it
Hang
sounds
on.
like.
Needs to focus.
Focus.
Yep.
That's shut down now, progress.
So it was actually touching here down on the starter motor.
Yeah, it was.
As you can see, it was touching, but here the exhaust had bent right in. It was against the guard. So it was an hell of a lot of work to blow him out. But we're on top of it, and I think we can be totally satisfied. Good enough for me. So it was a good job, and definitely that was one hell of a sham leader, that job.